by the giant gorilla and the
This
giant
is the helicopter?
the T-Rex and the scary zombies and the evil dragon.
This is the new Smurfs 2 or whatever. And it was so funny because Neil Harris, he was all like, "Is your butt blue?" And the Smurf goes, "Well, I don't know. Does it look like it's blue?" And he shook his butt. It was hilarious. Some of the Lego stuff my nephew made. I like this big long tower. High School Musical 2! Woohoo! What time is it?